Guys, I'm going to be eating burger wheat and stew this afternoon. That's the burger wheat. I don't know if you can see it. So that's the amount of fat and sugar that it has, 1%, 1%. So instead of rice, I'm going to use this burger wheat to eat my stew. So I just boiled water, so I'm going to process a bit. Yeah, that's the amount I'm eating. So I'm going to allow it to boil because I'm going to wash it. But you don't need to wash it. You can as well cook it like that. So I'll leave it for like 15 minutes. So I'll be back. It's 15 minutes now, guys. So I'm going to leave it, guys, to dry up. So that's the burger wheat, how it looks, and that's my stew. So that's the amount of food I'm eating. Hello guys, this is evening now, so 6 o'clock. I'm back eating my dinner. So I'm going to be doing wrap. I have white wrap. I have tomatoes which I've already chopped. I have lettuce. I just washed it, so I'm going to chop it. I peel them one by one and wash with vinegar. I also have my mackerel, so I'm going to be using mackerel as well. I take one and just slicing it junk. That's the tomatoes. And that's the mackerel. Just a simple wrap. I'm not going to be putting any mayonnaise because mayonnaise is fattening, so I'm just going to eat it like that without mayonnaise. I'm not that good in wrapping wrap, so I'm just going to eat it like that. So that's what I'm eating for dinner. So this is my day 3, so I'm going to see you guys on my day 4.